Scroll 7. I choose serenity, not occasionally, always. Calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels of wisdom. It is the result of long effort and self-control. Its presence indicates ripened experience and knowledge of the laws of thought. I become calm as I understand myself as a thought-evolved being. As I develop right understanding and see clearly how cause and effect operate, I cease to fuss, worry, and grieve. I remain poised, steadfast, serene. I, the calm person, having learned to govern myself, know how to adapt to others. And they reverence my spiritual strength. They feel they can rely upon me. The more tranquil I become, the greater my success, my influence, my power for good. I choose serenity. Even the ordinary business person will find prosperity increase as self-control develops, for people prefer stable demeanor. The strong, calm person is always loved and revered. They are like a shade-giving tree in a thirsty land. Who does not love a tranquil heart, a balanced life? That exquisite poise we call serenity is the last lesson of culture. It is the flowering of life, the fruitage of the soul. It is precious as wisdom, more desirable than gold. How insignificant money-seeking looks compared to a serene life, a life that dwells in the ocean of truth, beyond the reach of tempests. I choose serenity. How many people I know who sour their lives, who ruin all that is sweet by explosive tempers, who destroy their poise. How few people I meet who are well balanced, who have that exquisite poise of finished character. Yes, humanity surges with uncontrolled passion, is tumultuous with grief, is blown about by anxiety. Only I, the wise one, only I whose thoughts are controlled, make the winds and storms of the soul obey me. In the ocean of life the isles of blessedness are smiling. I keep my hand firmly upon the helm of thought. Self-control is strength. Right thought is mastery. Calmness is power. I choose serenity. I say unto my heart, peace, be still. When the storms of circumstance rage around me, when others panic, when chaos threatens, I stand firm in the center of my own calm. Not because I am unaffected by the storm, but because I have learned that my peace does not depend on the storm ending. I have tried the other way. I have tried to control circumstances, to force people to change, to manipulate outcomes through anxiety. And I have learned this path leads only to exhaustion and defeat. The more I tried to control the external, the more chaotic my internal world became. Now I understand that the only domain over which I have true authority is my own mind. I cannot control the weather, but I can control my reaction. I cannot control what others say, but I can control how I interpret and respond. I choose serenity. This choice, this deliberate choice of serenity, is not passivity. It is not resignation. It is the ultimate form of power, the final frontier of self-mastery. When I am serene, I think clearly. When I am agitated, my thoughts scatter. When I am serene, I see solutions. When I am anxious, I see only problems. When I am serene, I act from wisdom. When I am disturbed, I react from fear. The person who loses their calm loses their power. The person who maintains their calm maintains access to their highest intelligence, their deepest wisdom, their greatest strength. Every time I have faced a crisis with serenity, I have navigated it successfully. Every time I have faced a crisis with panic, I have made it worse. I choose serenity. I cultivate serenity as a gardener cultivates a rare flower. I protect it from harsh winds of chaos. I water it daily with meditation, conscious breathing, deliberate thought choosing. I give it sunlight by exposing myself to beauty and truth. I weed around it by removing toxic influences and negative thought patterns. And like any cultivated thing, serenity grows stronger with attention and withers with neglect. When I neglect my inner calm, my serenity fades. But when I tend to it, when I make it a priority, when I choose it deliberately every day, it grows until it becomes unshakable. I am building a fortress of serenity within myself, a place I can retreat to no matter what happens externally. This does not mean I do not feel pain or grieve loss. It means I face these things from a foundation of calm rather than chaos. I choose serenity. I observe the serene people in my life and see the common thread. They have stopped trying to control what cannot be controlled. They have accepted that life includes difficulty, that pain is inevitable. And in accepting this, they have found peace. Not the peace of having everything go their way, but the peace of being okay regardless. This is the peace I choose. Not the fragile peace that depends on perfect circumstances, but the robust peace that remains intact through imperfect circumstances. Not the conditional calm that exists only when nothing is wrong, but the unconditional calm that persists even when everything seems wrong. I choose serenity when I wake before the demands of the day assault me. I choose serenity in traffic when delay frustrates. I choose serenity in difficult conversations when I am tempted to react defensively. I choose serenity in uncertainty when the future is unclear. I choose serenity. This is my practice. This is my discipline. This is my power. The world needs my serenity more than my anxiety. My family benefits from my calm more than my chaos. My work improves when I approach it from peace rather than pressure. I'm not perfect at this. Some days I lose my serenity and must reclaim it. Some moments I forget and must remember. But each time I choose it, the choice becomes easier. Each time I return to it, the return becomes faster. Serenity is not a destination I arrive at. It is a direction I travel in. It is not a state I achieve once. It is a choice I make again and again, moment by moment, breath by breath, thought by thought. Be still. I am the master of my inner world, and serenity is my natural state. I choose serenity. I choose serenity. I choose serenity.